Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we're going to do some crafting, so let's get started. Okay guys, welcome back. Okay, so today what I'm going to do is, I got just a cheap canvas from like Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take my jar of broken things. I have a jar full of broken jewelry, beads, all kinds of things, and I've gotten these jars and bags, grab bags from the thrift store over the time that I've been doing YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this stuff out of here, and then I'm just going to stick it down onto the canvas and see what we can make. I've also got some other odds and ends, like there's this trim. I'm going to put that down. I got some of this brown wool to put down. I got a piece of this mesh I'm also going to put down. I want this to be like for the background. I'm going to use gesso, so it doesn't matter the color. I just want to put it down for texture in the background or whatever. So I've never done this before, but it seems like fun, so I'm going to give it a try. And once I get everything down, then I'll gesso it, and then maybe we'll do some spray inks or something and color it. Or maybe, we'll see. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to get started. I'll let you watch me do this, and yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that's glued down enough. What I'm going to do is gesso the background now, and then dry that, and then I'm going to start adding more pieces and building it up, and then I'll gesso it at the end. So right now I'm just going to gesso the base of it so that it has at least one coat. It may be two, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do, because this is now dry, is I'm going to start gluing down some broken jewelry onto the canvas, and then I'm going to gesso it again. So let's get started.
case here which really should be called Getting Away with Murder. And I believe that were this not a prominent family, nobody would have gotten away with this crime.
It's been more than 20 years since Martha Moxley was murdered. But the case remains open and is perhaps now more than ever solvable. Not only because of advances in forensic technology such as DNA analysis, but because of stunning new revelations allegedly made by two of the suspects themselves. October 30th, 1975 had begun innocently. Martha Moxley and several friends went out for an evening of teenage pranks. Early the next afternoon.
Okay guys, so now everything is dry and firm. It's not going anywhere. So now what I'm going to do is just gesso over it, let that dry, and then we're going to start sprays and stuff. So I have my gesso here. I'm going to do one coat, maybe a thick coat, and then if it needs another, I'll do another one, because I just want to white out everything now. So that's what I'm at now. Okay guys, so this is dry now, and I've dug out some colors. I have some yellow, I have some pink, and I have some purple sprays, and that's what I'm going to use to cover this canvas. So I'm going to do one color at a time, and I'm going to dry the colors in between each color so it doesn't become mud. So all I'm going to do is just spray the yellow in a few places on here, just like that. I'm gonna dry it with my dryer. Okay, so that's dry. Now I'm going to spray some pinks. Again, just in some areas, and maybe a little darker in others. Just like that. And now I'm going to dry this one. And that's dry now. So the last color I'm going to use is purple. And I'm going to spray purple in a few spots. I'm going to dry that now. Okay, so that's dry. I feel like the yellow has faded away, so we're going to go back in with the yellow and put some more yellow. Just like that. And I'm going to dry it. And then what I'm going to do is seal it. And then I'll be back. Okay guys, so now I glued down my centerpiece. And this is all just broken jewelry that I clustered together. So now the last couple of things I'm going to do is I've got some paper flowers in purples and pinks and light pinks. And then I have a trim. Just some lace trim, and I'm just going to go around the edge with the lace trim all the way around, and then that will be done. So that's all I'm going to do now. So I'm just going to glue down some of the flowers that I have here. They're just paper flowers, and it would just add a little pop to the project. And it doesn't matter where, just anywhere to put them down. Gives it some dimension. And I got these flowers at the dollar store. Dollar Tree, I believe, yeah. And I'm using my favorite glue because it will hold them down for a very long time. Last one. Right there. Perfect. So now it has just a few flowers on there to give it some dimension, along with the broken jewelry and the spray. And just to finish it off, like I said, I'm just going to glue down the ribbon on the outside, and then it will be finished. So I'm going to do that off camera. It's very simple, just glue and put it along the edge. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay guys, so it is now finished. I think it turned out really pretty. I just got to put a hook on the back and it's ready to be hung up. I think it turned out really well. It's really bright, it's pretty, it's great for summer. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do a video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye for now.